Hi, welcome to Richard Gabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to add stopwatch button in control center on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X, from your home screen first, go to Settings. Then in the settings, scroll down and find the control center, then tap. Then after that, in the control center, scroll down again and go to more controls, then find the stopwatch. And as you will see, there's a positive sign located on the side of it. Then all you have to do is just tap it until it appears in your included controls. And if you want to check it, if it's already in your control center, just drag down the right side of your screen, and as you will see that the stopwatch button is already here in your control center. And that's it. We have successfully added stopwatch button in control center on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching.